friends, welcome back to my channel. It is the end of August and it's time for me to share with you my August thrift store finds. With the exception of 2 or 3 things, everything you see here I picked up at my bargain center. The bargain center is next door to my Goodwill. It is kind of a treasure hunt type place. You have to dig through the bins and everything is quarter, 50 cents, and $1, maybe $2 depending on the size. So I don't have a lot of money invested in this at all, but it's just so fun to go once or twice a week to dig around and see what I can find. But I got lots of seasonal things this time. But the first thing I want to share with you is not seasonal at all. And because I'm an educator, I knew exactly what this was. This is called an abacus. I've seen it in farmhouse decor is the reason why I picked it up. It's a vintage looking thing. It's actually a math tool. And if you've never seen one of these in action, I encourage you to go to YouTube and type in this word I'm going to put on the screen. See how children calculate math with this thing. It is just fascinating. There's no other word for it. Pretty neat little thing I'm going to stick on a shelf somewhere, but just a real neat vintage look. All right, the next thing is a toboggan. I know different parts of the country call these different things, but this is my college alma mater and just had to get it. It was new with the tags. Me or my grandchildren will definitely wear this toboggan this winter. This is probably the most expensive thing I bought this month, and this was $2 at the bargain center. Brand new ping pong set, 2 paddles and everything. You can tell it's never been used. So looking forward to doing that sometime with the grandkids. All right, I thought this was really neat. This is a seasonal thing. This is a terracotta jack-o'-lantern. I have not bought Halloween decorations in several years because I really don't decorate for Halloween anymore. But now that the grandkids are home locally, I may do it. But I just thought this was so cute, and I may even give it to them. Who knows? But you put a candle in there, put the hat on there, and you could tell that it's been burned. Thought that was so cute being terracotta. The next thing was just a vintage jar. It says bath crystals on there. It may not be vintage, but I thought it looked kind of vintage and be really cute on a bathroom shelf. All right, the next couple things is something I'm just going to stick in our camper. And this is a brand new pack of some tablecloth weights. You just clip them on the corner of your tablecloth outside, and it just helps hold it down. And this is just a little tin box, brand new in the package, of charades. We always have card games and all kinds of games that we stick in our camper, and just great to give us something to do. Picked up this solid cast iron rabbit. I can't pass up a rabbit or a bird hardly, but just so cute. The lady behind me said, man, I wish I would have saw that. And I maybe paid 50 cents for it. The next thing is something just pretty to stick on a table or somewhere. A copper leaf that I can stick some fall filler or a candle or something on. Just thought it was so pretty. A brand new Scentsy brick. Scent is perfectly pomegranate. It smells very much like strawberry to me. I usually gravitate towards the non-floral scents, and this smells so good, and this is like $6 if you buy it from a rep, and I got it for about 50 cents. My regular store had tons of Walmart overstock. All these Walmart candle rings had the tags on them, and they were all $2.97 in the store right now. I got these for 99 cents each. So I picked up 2 of them. And then I also picked up a couple more things. These are $2.97. I got it for 99 cents. And then a bag of these this is leaf garland, 99 cents. And these are all in the store as of right now. So it must have been overstocked from last year. I picked up this really cute purse. It had the tag on it. She probably charged me $1 for it. I'm going to put my initials on the beard. I thought that'd be cute to carry some in December. Now this is one of the second things I picked up in the regular store. I got this for $1.99 because this is something you would pick up at Hobby Lobby right now. This metal letter. Thought that was pretty. I'll find somewhere to stick that. And this right here I got at another thrift store across town. This was new with tags from TJ Maxx. If you don't know what it is a self-watering pot. If you don't have much of a green thumb, this is a great kind of pots for you. But this whole ruffle top lifts up. You put water down in this reservoir, and then the top pot soaks it up, and it just self-waters. So you only have to put water in there about every other week, and it will just water the plant for you. So just thought that was cute spring. I'll put that out in the spring somewhere. A few little Christmas things. Got this at a thrift store across town for 75 cents. It originally come from Kirkland's. Thought this was so cute. Oh, come let us adore him. This little manger thing right here. I got this at the bargain center for 50 cents or a quarter. This little vintage looking Santa. The little bell dings, and just love him. He's so cute. I have a nativity scene that I've had for like 30 years, got it from Christmas Around the World back in the 90s, and it's just got to where so fragile, a few of my pieces have gotten damaged over the years. Well, I have my wooden manger. Some of my little characters need to be replaced. Well, I found this 14-piece set wrapped in plastic, and it's exactly what I needed. I got this at the bargain center. She may have charged me $1 or $2 for it. That's about the highest price I've ever paid for anything in the bargain center, but just thought this was so cute and is exactly what I needed to replace my nativity scene characters. And last but not least, this brown drawer right here I found walking with my neighbor. We walk on Thursday nights. That's the night before trash pickup, and she and I have found some great things before. If you've ever priced these antique sewing machine drawers, they're $10 and up. Well, this man had put it out there, and so she and I grabbed all the drawers out of the sewing machine table, and I told her I only wanted one. But what you do is you set it on shelves. You can put something tall in it. You can lay it on the side and put things here or here. It's just a neat little decorating thing. And then the next day when I was at the bargain center, I found a miniature one that I can paint or do the same thing. I can do it the knob going up or the knob going to the side. It's just a neat little thing to elevate things and to decorate and give interest to your shelves. There you go, friends. Those are my cute seasonal things I found this month. So I hear from a lot of you every month that I must live in just a really good thrifting area, and evidently I must, because many vacations we will stop in thrift stores, and I know exactly what you mean by yours being the pits. But just be consistent. Even go to yard sales. You might luck up better there. There's not a single thing on this counter I need, but I haven't invested a whole lot, and that way when I get tired of it, I can redonate it and buy more. So happy thrifting, everyone. See you soon. Bye-bye.